The Takara Tomy Animal Adventure, right?
Like, do you want me to teach you guys Chinese?
I don't know, some people may like you want to teach them Cantonese or Mandarin or Fujianese, Shanghainese or whatever it is.
Cantonese. The first class is Cantonese and animals in Cantonese is Dong Mat.
Okay.
Animal in Mandarin is Dong Wu.
How about Portuguese?
Say it again.
Dong
Dong Wu.
Dong Mat. How about Portuguese?
Animais.
Animais.
Okay, now let's open
What's
it.
that?
It's a tiger lion.
No, this is a tiger, just a tiger.
No, it's a
simple
tiger lion. It's a tiger lion.
No, the tiger is tiger, lion is tiger. But actually in Thailand they have a hybrid breed. They put tiger and lion together and make a tiger lion or lion tiger. Anyway.
Okay, now let's give you the map. Want to try to get the cards out.
Have you ever seen a real tiger?
Really?
Yeah,
I
you
did.
went to shoot. You went to the zoo
I
in
remember
Bangkok.
something, and then we was riding on a train and we saw some lions and tigers. Why do they don't bite us? They've been trained.
Yeah. Yeah, there's a card, description card is in Japanese and in
1,
English.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Boo! Blast off. Hey, let's play ball.
Where's the tiger?
In here. Why these more stupid flap thingies?
Yeah, because they want
The
to make the
other one
box.
broke it.
They always want to make the box bigger, and then you can pick it up more easy from the shop because the box is big.
Can I break the box? No, I have an idea. I can take it out on the bottom if you want, but it's taped. Oh, how do I open the tape that easily? Because we opened it first, right? We cheated.
We don't open it. We just cut off the tape.
Yeah.
We haven't opened it. Okay, you see the tiger? You can move the mouth and you can move the head, right? Let's look close up and see how you can move it.
Okay.
Wow. And it want to eat the red panda. The red panda is coming. Ah.
No, it's very small, right?
Yeah, it's too small.
But it's bigger
They don't
than
make it
me.
on scale. That's why the red panda look big and the elephant look very small.
No, in the real red panda, it's like we can carry it like a baby. So like
Yeah,
this.
yeah.
Look at the red
The
panda.
tiger's
that
huge,
small.
actually, it's
The
gonna be huge.
tiger can step on it.
Yeah.
Look, it's huge. Okay, so bye guys. See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. You can put a big thumbs up. Like us on Facebook and follow us on Instagram. And we got 1 million subscribers. So press the subscribe button and we'll see you on the next time. Goodbye. Woo!